If your Ford Escape USB ports aren't charging or connecting to CarPlay, don't head to the dealer just yet. Statistically, most of these failures are actually software glitches within the Ford Sync system rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the exact cause of your connection problems. Start by testing a high-quality cable before performing a soft reset on your infotainment unit. Often, an outdated sync version causes the media hub to stop communicating with your smartphone. If the port feels loose or smells like burnt plastic, the internal circuit board has likely failed. Replacing the media hub itself is a simple DIY task, but wiring issues require a professional shop. A simple fuse costs pennies, while a full APIM module replacement can run several $100s. If a soft reset fails, disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes can force the modules to reboot. You only need basic hand tools and a plastic pry bar to swap out the physical USB unit. Remember to always check your fuses first. It is the cheapest and most common solution for dead ports. With these steps, your Ford Escape should be back to charging and syncing in no time.